What's going on, everyone? It's Jack here from Nothing But Tech. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we got a lot of packages to open. I'm restarting this series where I just open up a lot of stuff on camera, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing, LifeX sent some lights over for the new studio. So they sent over the mini, the strip, and then the regular one. So let's start out by opening up the mini. So LifeX actually has really good packaging. I've been using their products for like 2 years. They're a wireless lighting system like Philips Hue, but they don't require a hub, which is a huge benefit. So this is the regular light. So the mini is over here, but this one is like the standard LifeX light. So it goes up to 1100 lumens, and it will do all the different colors, so like 16 million different colors. So that's what you get in here, and then you also get a little manual with the HomeKit number on the back, so you can actually use this in HomeKit, and then just like how to set it up. So what you can do is you can put this in a lamp, a light overhead, and then you can change it. So I'll insert some B-rolls, you guys can see what that looks like, but it works very well. All right, so the mini is 800 lumens, so it's a little bit less bright, but it's also a lot smaller and cheaper. So this is the mini. It's a pretty tiny light. You can still control it, and it still does 16 million different colors and a bunch of different temperatures of white. So you're still able to kind of get the full effect from it. It costs a little bit less every year, and it works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. Let's say you want to put this in a lamp or something. For overhead lighting, I'd probably recommend the regular one, but this will work for a lamp or something like that. Okay, and the last thing they sent us is the LifeX Z. So this is their strip. So they just released this and the LifeX Beam, which is like something for the wall, but this looks really cool. So my plan is that I'm going to put this underneath behind my desk and then put another one underneath this couch. So let's open it up. If you use this 3 hours a day, you'd get like 22 years out of it, and it goes up to 1400 lumens. So it's a little brighter than the light. And all their packaging is like pretty uniform. And definitely let me know if you guys want to see more of these. This time we don't have like a ton of awesome stuff, but for the next episodes we definitely will, and these are pretty cool. So let's see here. Okay, so this is part of it, and then there's another part underneath. So let's pull that out. You also have your connection, so this desk is starting to get a bit crowded, but let's pull this out. Okay, so this is what you use. Instead of having like the hub like Philips Hue or other competitors have, this is kind of how they do it. So you have the actual strip, and this will go like on the desk so it doesn't pull down the strip, and then it connects to the strip. And then over here you have a little piece that goes with that. This goes into the wall, so this piece here connects like so. Okay, the next thing, and thank you to LifeX for sending all of that, but the next thing is an MBT pillow. So these are available on my site for my merch and stuff, but I'm excited. I haven't actually seen this yet. It looks awesome. So this is available in white and black. I think it's going to be a pretty cool addition to the set, so it's going to go like here. That works. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it linked below. And new merch is coming very soon, so stay tuned. Let's open up this stand. I don't really think we need the knife. So as you guys know, I have a ton of headphones, and I'm going to be trying to bring back headphone related videos. So I'm getting a lot of stands for this new spot so I can like put up all my headphones. Let's pull it out. So these are really inexpensive on Amazon, and I'm going to link everything that I mentioned in this video below. But it's like a nice metal and plastic stand, which should work, and they hold most headphones, so it comes in 3 pieces. And the way it works is this piece goes on here, like so. All right, so then it goes in there, and then this piece you just push down, and then you have your little like stand here. So the headphones can go on here. This could go on your desk. It's on Amazon. I think it's like $9, and then it came with this like keychain or something. The company is called Newbie. So if you want to check it out, you can do it below, but it looks pretty good and it feels pretty good. It's mostly metal, some plastic. All right, the next 2 things are just USB Type-C cables. So I don't know if you guys saw, but the new MacBook Pro just came out, and these are gonna be great for USB Type-C devices. So it's USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You can use it on like a Samsung T3 or T5. And I think that these were like $8, so pretty good. I'll let you know about the quality, but they're pretty small and they're braided as well, so they'll be pretty durable. Definitely a lot more durable than like Apple cables. All right, Power Extra. I don't even remember what this was. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is a battery charger. I'm gonna get the battery to show you. All right, so what you do with this is you put it in like so. And the A6500 and other Sony cameras often don't come with a charger, so this kind of makes up for that. So you can put 2 batteries in. It has a little USB Type A cable built in, so this will go into your computer, into the wall, like a wall wart. And it will show you the battery percentage up here, and you can charge 2 at once. So this is going to be good. I always forget to charge my battery, so I'm just going to leave that in the wall. With moving into the new studio, I need to furnish a lot of it. So this is a lamp for the studio, and I think you guys are going to like it. It has a really nice aesthetic. So let me show you it. So basically, this is a floor light, and it has like multiple shelves, so I can put like cool stuff on it. So let's see. So this seems to be the top of it. Yeah, so this is like the top. Put that aside. All right, this is probably one of the shelves, it looks like. So it's white. The theme in here is going to be like white and gray. So this is one of the shelves. Some more stuff in there, but I'll try to put in a picture of what the finished product is so you guys can see. But that's mainly it, and then there's just like a bunch of different things. A Silica gel packet. That's it for that light. Last item is from Ikea. How could you have a studio without Ikea? So this is this one. Let's see what happened here. And this will actually be good, so I can light up a background with like 2 of these, let's say. I don't know if you guys remember, because it was a long time ago, but I used to have like a blue background. So I'll try to insert a picture of that so you guys can remember it. And with that, I was able to kind of color a background blue with just using a couple lights. So they gave me an Allen wrench. All right, so it's plugged in. It has a little switch. You turn it on like that. It's really bright, but imagine it with like this diffuser. It's gonna be a lot less extreme and then colored. All right, so that's it for this video. Not the most interesting stuff. Next episode is gonna be really interesting. I'm also thinking about maybe opening up a P.O. box. I don't know, would you send stuff? If you would, leave a comment down below. But thank you guys all so much for watching this video. A lot more content coming, and subscribe right here so you don't miss anything else. Check out my other content right here. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Bye.